So it's 2024 and a lot of us are feeling the financial pinch. As a result, not everyone has a grand plus to drop on a new phone, but that doesn't mean you can't treat yourself to a new handset. Enter this guy, the TECNO Spark 30 Pro, which region dependent, and we'll touch on that later, will retail for just around $200 US. But these are not just any old Spark 30 Pros, these are the Transformers edition. TECNO sent over these two versions and are sponsoring this video, kind of like a first look to see what you get. First up, the BUMBLEBEE, and if you are a Transformers fan, the unboxing experience is something else. Inside you get a special case, the warranty paperwork, the phone, charger and cable, and a pair of wired earphones, which in 2024 is lovely to see. And look how funky that rear design looks. Ooh, beautiful, c'est magnifique. But in this video, I'll mainly be focusing on this one. This is the Optimus Prime. Similar unboxing experience here, case, charger, cable and earphones, and while slightly different in appearance, both look seriously cool for the record. For this sort of money, these are real head turners for sure. Just look at those two rear designs. That sounds a bit raunchy. You have the refined classic large circle camera design enhanced with the Euler smile, metal star ring, more on camera specs in a second, and the TECNO Spark Transformers text and icon too. Super slick. They look far more expensive than the price suggests. They feel pretty premium too, not £1,000 plus titanium, etc., but solid feeling in the hand without being heavy and only 7.4mm thick. Now if we flip to the front, you're looking at a 120Hz iCare AMOLED display. Yeah, AMOLED on a £200 phone. It is Full HD and not quad, but as I always say, on a screen this size, it still looks really nice and sharp, and it's TÜV certified for low blue light and has a DCI P3 cinema grade colour accuracy, something you again often only see on more expensive devices. The eye protection mode is especially useful during evening and nighttime use, offering protective benefits for your eyes and helping you with sleep. Also on good old TÜV Rheinland, you also have their 5-year Fluency protection certification, which is an evaluation on how smoothly the product operates after aging. And it does feel really smooth. The 120Hz, the MediaTek Helio G100 chip, and up to 16GB of extended RAM. This legit feels snappy and lag-free. It won't give you performance of the soon-to-launch MediaTek Dimensity 9400 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, but general navigation with multiple apps open at the same time, a spot of gaming, the Spark 30 Pro will handle it no problem. On top of that, you have 4.5G Lightning network and Super Wi-Fi, a flagship 5000 mAh battery with 33-watt supercharge, 256GB of storage, and it's running on TECNO's High OS based on Android 14. But of course, as this is a special edition, the Transformers Optimus Prime version, TECNO haven't just slapped on any old High OS on there, you have the corresponding UI too, with special Transformer-inspired icons and wallpapers. What are the potential compromises here for the massive price reduction that you'll see elsewhere? Well, firstly, it's IP54 rated, not 68, for example, which is more protection against water sprays from all different directions than submersion. And while it doesn't completely block dust, it I'm in the wrong job, I think. I should be on the stage with that kind of voice. And while it doesn't completely block dust, the amount that enters won't actually affect the device's normal operation. And still impressive there's an IP rating at all here. As it is to have symmetrical stereo sound with Dolby Atmos. You can even see the little text on the top here. And another possible downside is the camera. This is not flagship. You don't have an ultra-wide angle or a telephoto lens or 4K video, but you do have 2K video and a 108 megapixel main camera, which under the right circumstances, you can take some really nice shots. You can capture high resolution images with super sharp details, and the colours are actually pretty accurate. You have a super night mode, portrait mode, both on the rear and front 13 megapixel shooter, and a whole host of fun choices like vlog, dual video, AR shot, and sky shot, which basically allows you to superimpose sky backdrops onto your real photos, and it works surprisingly well. These were taken all within seconds of each other in the same lighting, but you absolutely wouldn't know it. Especially that moon one, that is pretty impressive considering it was broad daylight. Now, you obviously have to temper your expectations a little bit, and it does sometimes struggle with lens flare and when the lighting is slightly less than ideal, but dynamic range is solid, colours are vivid yet not too saturated, and again, for a £200 phone, remember, what are you really expecting? You'd struggle to find better out there for the price. And the final possible downside to the Spark 30 Pro is region availability. I don't currently know exactly where this will go on sale, so you may or may not be in luck. I know they have operations in over 70 countries and regions across 5 different continents, but looking at the startup regions when I turn on the phone, I'm not so sure categorically whether your country is going to be, compatible. And by that I mean in terms of network bands, etc. Bumblebee, Optimus Prime, considering the price of just $200 there or thereabouts, for what you get, it might just be, and don't quote me on this, but it might just be one of, if not the best budget smartphone that you can get right now in 2024. And even if you're not currently looking for a new phone, you can't deny that they look pretty cool. Look at them! You having that? Because I am. Optimus Prime, baby. Boo! Transformers out. Check out the links in the video description below, which I will leave, and that will give you more information, hopefully, and shed some light on where and when this will be available for you. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of these 2 new phones from TECNO. Are you a Transformers fan? If so, are you looking to pick one of these 2 up? Follow my other social medias for more short form content on these 2 bad boys. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. My name's Adam, you've been the best as always. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. Says BYT, peace out. Transformers, go!